It's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you are already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Today, I am super duper excited. We are going to be talking about the viral, the trending split image design, They Not Like Us. Ooh, I'm excited to show you guys this one. And I'm showing it this way, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the way with the border as well. So I'm going to show you both of these ways, how you can do it using my template in Canva from beginning to end. So stay tuned to the end so I can show you how we put this frame on it, okay? We're going to go ahead and show you the first simple way, and then we're going to spice it up and add this nice little border. So make sure you stay all the way to the end of the video. Let's just jump right into the video. Let go. Okay, y'all, we are inside of Canva, and I'm just going to recreate this simple design. If y'all know where I'm from, then y'all know what this is about. It's that football season time, and They Not Like Us. Okay, so I want to go over a few things with you guys. Okay, so there's a few things that I want to go over. This is a Canva template. I do have Canva Pro. I want you to be very aware of that. Okay, you can grab this Canva template on my Etsy page. Right now, the link will be down in the description. There are two designs, okay? The They Not Like Us, where it's a little larger, and then the They Not Like Us like this, okay? You'll get both of those templates. When you open your template, you'll get the They Not Like Us template regular, and then you will get the one with the border as well, okay? And both of the sizes with and without the border. You can change the color by coming up to the border color icon at the top. Okay, if you want to change the color of your border as well as the weight of your border as well. Okay, I'm going to show you all that, so just stay tuned. But this is what the template looks like. And we are going, y'all see I got my little girl. She's so cute. So we are going to recreate this image. So I am going to start with my template. This is the template that I'm going to be using, okay? So you download it. Let me show you what it'll look like when you get it from Etsy. So you're going to head on over to my Etsy link down in the description, and this is what you'll see. You'll see the Canva template, and then it'll show you the different designs that I have here with and without the border, and then just some designs with just the fill-ins, because you don't have to do the split screen, but you can. That's the cool thing about the template. You can do whatever you like. So once you go ahead, add it to cart, purchase it, make sure you read all of the item details and about this item. Then you're going to go ahead and you are going to get this from Etsy. You're going to click here to access your templates, and then you're going to go into the page with the blank documents, okay? So it's going to come up with both of them looking like this. We're just going to recreate this image here. You're going to get elements from inside of Canva directly, or you're going to go to your uploads, whichever one you're going to use, and then you're going to click it and upload it into your designing space, okay? Once the design comes onto your design space, then you're going to figure out how large you want the image to be. Now, you have to be careful with this because, look, you drag and you drop it directly inside of there, and we don't want to do that part yet, okay? So we are going to undo because we don't want to do that yet. We are going to duplicate the lion and put this lion down here, or you can put them on another page. It's all up to you. We could duplicate it. I'm commanding C and commanding V and pasting it on another page. It's all up to you. Either one works. Multiple ways to skin a cat, remember? Now, when you drag and drop an image, into a frame, it automatically fills up the entire frame. We can double click it and then we can adjust it. But look what happens. I am going to select the background and make it gray so we can see what's going on. You cannot see the letters anymore. It literally just dragged inside of there. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do for this particular one. I am going to duplicate the frame. I'm going to put this over here. And then I want a either solid background or a gradient background. For the sake of this video, we're going to grab a gradient background. But we're going to go to Elements. And we're going to search blue gradient. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, and you can pick whichever one you want. We're going to grab this one this time, okay? I am going to fill this gradient background up. You can change the colors here if you want, but we're going to just download page 3 as a PNG. I'm going to download page 3 as a PNG, and then I'm going to upload it back into Canva. All right, now it could be a solid color, it could be, like I said, a gradient. That's all up to you. So I downloaded it, and now I'm going to upload it. File, import file, and I'm going to upload it back inside of Canva. So now that it's uploaded, I'm going to go to uploads, and then I'm going to take it and drag it. Then I'm going to drop it inside of the frame, the They Not Like Us frame, okay? I'm going to take the other frame, make sure it's still the exact same size, and you can put it on top of that frame. Now I'm going to drag the face inside of that frame. I'm going to double click, and then I'm going to scoot it over. And you just scoot it over to the edge or to wherever you want it to be. I'm going to scoot it all the way to the edge. Okay, well, actually, I'm going to scoot it right to the nostril on that nose right here. All right. Now that blue background, you can still see the letters of the EY and the U and the S. You see that? So I am going to put that gray background. I think I may want it a little bit lighter. Okay, so that we can see it. Now I'm going to take that extra photo either from this page or from the corner of this page, whatever you want, right? I'm going to take the photo and, oh no, wait, no, first, now that I have the photo frame and the image where I want it to go, I'm going to select these two frames. And then I'm going to go to the 3 dots and I'm going to lock it in position so that they won't move. Now I'm going to take the image, and if you see it, it's behind, it's in between the 2 layers actually. That looks sweet, those layers, and these layers are locked. So I'm going to go to arrange and I'm going to go to the front so that the face can be on top of those 2 layers. Now that I have it on top, I'm now going to align. I'm looking at these edges right here. I'm going to align the image with the image on top of the frame, okay? So I'm going to align. If you have to scoot closer so you can make sure you get it as close as possible. I'm trying to make sure that they are aligned right there, okay? So I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to close position. And then now that I have the lion in the correct placement, I'm going to take this line here, this purple line here, and I'm going to drag it over. Okay? And you could either do it to where it connects or you could have a little space. It's all on your editing preference, okay? So now we have it aligned and you can see the They Not Like Us as well as you can see the lion's face, okay? And that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now if you want to make sure everything's aligned, you could always readjust it. That literally looks perfect though. If you zoom in, you can see that everything is aligned. And you can make a t-shirt with this. You could do sublimation. You could do printable vinyl. You can do all types of things with this particular design. Okay, guys, so these look absolutely amazing. But there's another way that you can do it. Let's say if you want the outline around it, and you can change the thickness of the outline so you can see that they not like us better. Let me show you simply what you need to do. The only thing you need to do is select, let's scoot this over. We're going to select the one with the actual lion's face in it. Now, you can select either one, but I'm going to select the one with the lion's face in it. And I'm simply going to go up to the top where it says Edit, BG Remover. It has the color. It has border style. I'm going to go to border style. It says no border right now. We're going to do a border. Now, the border does a thin size 4 border. You can make that border thicker. You see that? So you pick which size you want. I'm going to pick 30 for the sake of right now. And then you just slide it back over to exactly where it was. And now you have a border on it. Voila! And guess what? You can slide it back over and you can change the color of the border. So let's say you don't want it to be black, you want it to be white. You can change the color to white. Easy peasy. The only thing you have to do is select the border at the top. You can change the border's thickness if you want it. Or you can change the border's color if you want that as well. And that's all you have to do to add a border so you can see the words a little bit better. And then you can change the background. You could do all the things you want, but that's simply how you can change it so that you can have a border. Okay, I think I like the black. And then, like I said, we can change the border thickness. Now you can literally see it better. Voila, magic. Very, very simple. And you can add words. You can change those. You can do whatever you want. But I just wanted to show you what it would look like if you added the border. Okay. This is the same. But I locked it back. Once you get it where you want it to go, you can lock it. Then you can download these as sublimation files. You can do printable vinyl. You can use these for DTF. You could use them for tons and tons of things. But now you guys see it with the border. And then without the border. And it's very simple. As long as it's unlocked, you could play around and move it around and grab a border. Okay? I'm going to show you on this one too. Let's see. This one is locked. So let's unlock it. And then let's do a border on that one. See how that one looks. Yeah, I like it more on the border of the actual lion. But if you want it on the actual words, you could do that as well. Y'all know what I say. It's multiple ways to skin that cat. I personally like it better on the face of the lion. Okay? Please, 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 if you have any questions, you want me to clarify anything, please reach out to me so that I can explain everything to you and answer any questions that you may have. But look how dope this is, you guys. I absolutely love this design. It's extremely popular. And yeah, y'all, that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream On is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream On is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye.